In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rock music on Suno AI. We'll walk through a clear, practical workflow that blends strong genre prompts, guitar-focused instrumentation, and structured lyrics so you can create punchy, convincing rock tracks with confidence. First, open Suno AI, log in, and click Create. Before you do anything else, switch to sample mode. This mode gives you tighter control over what the model generates, which is especially helpful in rock, where the feel of the drums, the grit of the guitars, and the energy of the vocals need to lock in together. Next, decide your rock style. Rock has a wide spectrum, and choosing a subgenre focuses the sound. Classic rock leans on warm analog tones and big choruses. Hard rock pushes aggressive riffs and a heavier rhythm section. Alternative rock favors moody textures and dynamic shifts. Metal or heavy rock emphasizes high-gain guitars, tight double kick patterns, and intense vocals. Soft or emotional rock brings out cleaner guitars, storytelling, and an intimate mix. Pick one lane so your prompts and keywords stay cohesive. If you want vocals, add lyrics in the lyrics box. Keep them structured. Think verse, chorus, and maybe a bridge. Short, vivid lines with consistent rhythm help the model phrase melodies naturally. You can also leave the lyrics box empty if you're aiming for instrumental rock, guitar-focused jams, or cinematic rock music where atmosphere and arrangement take center stage. Now add production keywords to nail the vibe and realism. Phrases like distorted guitar, live drums, stadium mix, guitar solo, emotional vocals, punchy snare, and analog rock production tell the model how to shape tone, space, and performance energy. Keep the list focused and complementary so the engine isn't pulled in competing directions. Aim for a clear target, a gritty guitar tone, impactful drums, and the right room size or reverb. When you're ready, click Create to generate the song. Suno usually delivers two versions for you to compare, often with different vocal takes and slightly different guitar styles. Listen for the one with the strongest groove, the most convincing guitar tone, and a vocal that fits your chosen subgenre. Pay attention to how the chorus lifts, how the snare cuts through, and whether the guitars sit tightly with the drums. Choose the version that best represents your idea and feels cohesive from intro to outro. That's the workflow. With a clear subgenre, purposeful lyrics, targeted production keywords, and sample mode for control, Suno AI can produce rock tracks that sound intentional and stage-ready.